What is the weather like in your area?
It's pretty good. It's usually sunny, so you can be outdoors most of the year.
Do you have cold winters?
No, it never gets that cold, and it never snows.
What is your worst season?
Summer can be bad. We have thunderstorms. And it gets really hot.
I like thunderstorms. I think they are fun.
They are sometimes, but sometimes it rains really hard, and we have lightning and flooding. So it's a little dangerous.
What about the spring and fall?
Both seasons are perfect. The spring is warm, and the fall is cool, and it never rains then.
Are you coming to the meeting?
When is it?
It's at 1. It starts soon.
Is the boss coming?
Yes, he's already there, I think.
What about Sue?
I don't know. She's not here yet.
What about Jerry?
He just called. He's still out sick.
He's still sick? Lucky him.
Well, it's almost time. We better go.
Right. I'll be right there. What are you doing tonight?
I'm meeting my mom for dinner.
Oh, where are you going?
We are going to the new Thai restaurant. Join us.
Thanks, but I can't. I'm playing futsal tonight.
Well, maybe next time.
Why are you leaving early?
I'm going to the dentist.
Why? Do you have a toothache?
No, I'm getting my teeth cleaned.
Well, if you are leaving early, I'm leaving early too.
Fine with me.
Do you want something to eat?
I want something, but not just anything.
What are you in the mood for?
I'm in the mood for something spicy.
What about spicy Thai soup?
That sounds great. But you know what? Anything is fine.
Did you go anywhere this weekend?
Nowhere special, just the mall.
Did you buy anything?
No, I had no money.
Did you see anyone there?
No, I didn't see anyone. The mall was empty, surprisingly.
Where did you go yesterday?
Nowhere.
Nowhere? Come on. I'm sure you went somewhere.
No, really, I didn't go anywhere. I stayed home.
I didn't go anywhere either.
My gosh, we are so boring.
Did anyone call?
No, no one.
Nobody called?
No. Were you expecting someone to call you?
Yes, someone.
Ooh, who is this someone?
Just someone. Nobody you know.
I'm back.
Welcome home.
Is dinner ready yet?
Not yet, but it's almost done.
Is the table set?
Yes, I already did it.
Are the kids back yet?
No, they're still outside playing. But they should be back soon. I already texted them.
So what's for dinner?
Lasagna. It's still cooking, but it's almost done.
Great. I'm starving.
Do you still work with Joe?
No, not anymore. He just quit.
Oh no. Why?
He just got a new job. He already started it, I think.
What about Sue?
She's still there, but not for long. She just put in her notice.
She is quitting too? Why?
She just got engaged. She's moving to London. Her fiancé's from there.
Well, your company is lucky they still have you.
For now, anyway.
Are you quitting too?
Not yet, but soon. I already started looking.
What is going on tonight?
Bill is having a party.
Oh, really? When and where?
He's having it at his house. It is starting at 6.
Who's going?
Everyone's going. You should come.
Do you like your school?
Yes, the teachers are nice, and the campus is really pretty.
How are your classes?
They are a little difficult, but they are mostly interesting.
What is your favorite class?
My favorite class is my Spanish class because I love learning languages. And the teacher is really funny.
What is your least favorite class?
History. I do not like to read very much. And the class requires a lot of reading. Plus, the teacher is strict. And he gives a lot of homework.
Yeah, that does not sound fun.